And I met a man in the forest with a face and a bark like a dog, and he saw all the fear and the hatred that plagued my mind like a fog. I said, I don't want no trouble, and I don't want to end up dead. He said, son, where'd you think your dreams go when the lead is sitting pretty in your head? In your head.